Hello, welcome to the Pars Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about the 10 best exercises for osteoporosis, weak or thinning bones. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, osteoporosis is one of the 10 most common diseases worldwide. It's never too late to start a bone-healthy exercise program, even if you already have osteoporosis. You may worry that being active means you're more likely to fall and break a bone. But the opposite is true. A regular, properly designed exercise program may actually help prevent falls and fractures. That's because exercise strengthens bones and muscles and improves balance, coordination, and flexibility. That's key for people with osteoporosis. In today's video, we are going to be sharing with you 10 of these exercises that can help you prevent osteoporosis. So, stick around to the end. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. When you have osteoporosis, exercise can be an important component of strengthening your bones as well as reducing your risks for falls through balance exercise. But before you begin any exercise program, it's important to get your doctor's approval first. Your doctor will be able to help point you to what exercises are best for you depending on your condition, your age, and other physical constraints. While most types of exercise are good for you, not all types are good for healthy bones. For example, weight-bearing exercises can build healthy bones. These exercises involve challenging your muscle strength against gravity and putting pressure on your bones. As a result, your bones will signal your body to produce added tissue to build stronger bones. Exercises such as walking or swimming may be beneficial to your lung and heart health but won't necessarily help you strengthen your bones. Anyone with osteoporosis who's looking to increase their bone strength can benefit from the following 8 exercises. These exercises are easy to do at home. Number 10. Aerobics. Aerobics exercise classes can do wonders for improving your bone strength and strengthening ligaments, tendons, and muscles. By stimulating the growth of tiny blood vessels in your muscle tissues, aerobic exercises can also help improve the oxygen supply to your muscles, which in turn helps reduce pain experienced by people with muscle stiffness or chronic lower back pain. Number 9. Balancing. Balance exercises play an important role in looking after your bones. Working on your balance can improve your stability and prevent falls, and this is important because falls can lead to fractured or broken bones. Types of balance training can include standing on one leg, Tai Chi, yoga, or balancing on a Bosu. It is a two-sided fitness tool. One side is a solid flat platform, and the other is a soft dome resembling an exercise ball. Number 8. Dancing. Dancing is not only a good way to maintain bone health, it's fun and engaging too. Dancing often involves steps of elevation and transferring weight from foot to foot. When you land from these kinds of movements, you put additional tension on your muscles and pressure on your bones. In turn, your bones react to this pressure and strain by becoming stronger. Number 7. Walking. A brisk, daily walk is a great exercise to help build your bone health, and it's good for your heart, too. Aim for 30 minutes a day at least 4 times per week. If you're worried about uneven or cracked walking pathways, a treadmill is a great alternative. If you want to know about walking benefits, there is a video on our channel about this topic you can check out. Number 6. Climbing stairs. While walking is a great bone-building exercise, climbing stairs can be considered as taking it up a notch in terms of putting increased stress on your muscles and joints to build strength. This is because when you're climbing stairs, it requires more balance and muscle work than walking does. So, now and then, if possible, consider taking the stairs instead of the lift. Number 5. Playing tennis. Playing tennis gets your whole body moving, but is particularly great for building bone strength in the legs and arms. Bone mass is directly affected by what parts of the body you're exercising. Running in different directions, transferring body weight from foot to foot, and swinging the racket with your arms help build your muscle strength and improve your bone health. Number 4. Squats. This is a lower body exercise that can be done with your body weight, or with added resistance such as dumbbells. Squatting mainly targets the thighs and glutes. However, core strength and stability, ankle mobility, back muscles, calves, and other body parts play an important role when you are doing this exercise. Squats help increase tendon strength, build muscle and improve bone density. Number 3. Hamstring curls. Hamstring curls strengthen the muscles in the backs of your upper legs. You perform this exercise from a standing position. If necessary, place your hands on a piece of heavy furniture or another sturdy item to improve your balance. To do this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Slightly move back your left foot until only your toes are touching the floor. Contract the muscles in the back of your left leg to lift your left heel toward your buttocks. Slowly control your left foot as you lower it back to its starting position. Repeat the exercise between 8 and 12 times. Rest, and repeat the exercise on your right leg. Number 2. Lunges. To increase bone density, you have to surprise the skeletal system with diverse exercises that require unfamiliar loading patterns or changes in movements. This is why lunges are a great exercise to build bone strength. They add stress to your bones in a good way by increasing force by tugging on your bones from different angles, and adding impact when you step down into the lunge. Number 1. Hip leg lifts. This exercise strengthens the muscles around your hips as well as enhances your balance. Place your hands on a piece of heavy furniture or other sturdy items to improve your balance as needed. Start with your feet hip width apart. Shift your weight to your left foot. Flex your right foot and keep your right leg straight as you lift it to the side, no more than 6 inches off the ground. Lower your right leg. Repeat the leg lift 8 to 12 times. Return to your starting position and do another set using your left leg. Some evidence shows that too much exercise can lead to bone problems, too. Intense training can cause hormone imbalances, which can lead to lower bone mass, called osteopenia. This can be a problem for some young female athletes. A balance of exercise and recovery is crucial to keeping osteoporosis at bay. Exercise can benefit almost everyone with osteoporosis. But remember, it's only one part of a good treatment plan. Get plenty of calcium and vitamin D in your diet, stay at a healthy weight, and don't smoke or drink too much alcohol. You also may need osteoporosis medications to either build or maintain your bone density. Work with your doctor to figure out the best ways to stay healthy and strong. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.